you want to have perfect hand gestures every time you have to give a speech, a presentation, or a talk? You don't have to worry about, oh, what do I do with these? Or fidgeting, or holding them, or doing weird steeple things. Here is the way to have perfect hand gestures at all times. Find a friend, a family member, a colleague, give them your cell phone, and then ask them to video record you when you don't know you're being video recorded. Could be at dinner, could be at a meeting when you're having a conversation, could be when you're around the water cooler and you're talking to colleagues about a soccer game or a cricket game or a rugby game. What you want is to be video recorded in a natural state when you're not self-conscious, when you're not aware of being recorded, and it's not some big official PowerPoint presentation. Here's what you'll find. Everybody moves their hands when they're comfortable and they're speaking. That's what you want. That's what you want when you're giving a speech or a presentation. Now, you might look at my hands and say, well, that's too much. I don't like TJ's. I don't care. You might say it's too little. You might say it bothers you. But guess what? This is how I naturally move my hands. And what I have found in working with leaders, business people, and people just like you all over the world is that if you're moving your hands in a way that's natural and relaxed for you, everyone else is either not going to notice or they're going to think it's perfectly fine. It's only when you start thinking about, I want to now look official or poised or confident or professional, that's when the hand gestures will mess you up.